guys, welcome back to Latoria Designs and Decor. So today I am doing this statement mirror piece downstairs in my living room. It's black and white since that's what I'm going for when I hang up my pictures. They're just black and white down there, and I'm trying to incorporate more in that wall because it looks kind of empty. It's just like 3 pictures of my children, and I did that, and I also went to Goodwill to purchase these 3 wall scones. It's like something that you can place other items inside of it, and it's really cute. So guys, let's get into a DIY. So this is leftover wood. I had a sign from Dollar Tree and leftover glass that I purchased from Lowe's. So I wanted to use my Waverly chalk paint to make this sign completely white since I was going for a black and white mirror statement theme. So I did this for the whole sign, and I think I've coated it probably twice and then distressed it with black. And so I used ink Waverly paints, and I had to tape off this wood board to kind of get, because I'm using the white for the middle of the wood, and I'm painting the outside of it black, so I wouldn't get any paint on either side of it. So I had to tape it off with painter's tape, of course, and I did that, and I coated this as well twice around the board. And then I used the white Waverly chalk paint for the middle parts of this wood board. And so I kind of did this backwards. I had to put painter's tape back on, which I should have just painted it white first instead of black. But it all worked out because I was still going for a distressed look. So it didn't really matter if it did bleed over, because I was going to kind of dry brush the board black and white anyway. But I wanted to actually see that pattern, so it still worked out. I used my white roses from Dollar Tree and these 2 pieces I ordered from Amazon, which I can link below. And I started to glue 6 roses, which 3 on each side, so they could be equal. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and also don't forget to share this video. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, DIYs. I do furniture flips from time to time. I just do a bunch of different home decor styles, looks, and furniture flips. So if you like those things, definitely subscribe to this channel, guys, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.